Wisconsin's economy is doing well in many respects, with rising wages and an unemployment rate of just 3.2%.
But in one area, our state is ranked dead last for the third straight year: entrepreneurship, startups. As Greg Newman shows us, there is a bright spot that experts say the rest of the state should look to: Madison.
In 2010, Alex Slocum and some friends wanted to establish an online website to help Madison apartment hunters. With initial funding from a local business accelerator called Generator, Abodo was born.
We all started part-time just about 4 years ago. We're now up to about 38 employees.
But Abodo is a rare success story for Wisconsin. For the third straight year, the gold standard Kauffman Index on Entrepreneurship ranks Wisconsin 50th for startup business growth.
For Wisconsin to get competitive in this ranking again, we estimate on the low end we're looking at 250 to 500, but realistically we probably need about 1,500 new companies a year.
Generator co-founder Joe Kurgis says the state's numbers would be even lower if not for Madison, which is actually competitive among similar-sized cities. In fact, this 10-story building where Abodo is headquartered has a number of other startups as well, such as Eat Street and nearly a dozen other companies.
Unfortunately, the rest of the state has not kept pace with Madison in terms of importing venture capital to grow the community.
Through two relatively new Madison-based venture capital firms, Abodo has secured $8 million in funds since 2012.
Those types of firms are really experienced at scaling companies, and so they have the resources both from a cash perspective and from a knowledge perspective to help companies rapidly scale.
Kurgis says other major communities in the state still have very traditional funding models for business, saying that will have to change if they're going to catch up to Madison and the rest of the country. Greg Newman, 27 News.
Now, to give you an idea of just how Madison's growth compares to the rest of the state, 13 of the state's top 20 venture capital funds are based here.